Mock U.S. Naturalization Interview. Applicant, Miss Hương Tạ.
Good morning. I'm here for my naturalization interview.
Good morning. What time is your appointment?
Oh, it's 9:30 a.m.
It's only 8:45 now. You're a little bit early. Due to COVID-19, applicants can't enter the USCIS facilities more than 15 minutes before their appointment. Therefore, you have to wait until 9:15 a.m.
Okay, I'll wait outside then. Hi, I'm back.
Hi. Please sanitize your hands with the sanitizer. Then, I'll need to check your temperature and ask you some questions about COVID-19 symptoms.
Okay.
Good. Now please tell me if you have had any symptoms of COVID-19, including cough, fever, or difficulty breathing.
No.
Have you had a close contact with someone known or suspected to have COVID-19 in the last 14 days?
No.
Have you been instructed by a healthcare provider or public health authority to isolate or self-quarantine in the last 14 days?
No.
Thank you. You may come in now. Please remember to keep your mask on the whole time unless instructed otherwise, and practice social distancing while you are in the facility.
Okay, thank you.
Good morning. How can I help you?
Good morning. I'm Hương Tạ. I'm here for my naturalization interview.
Can I have your appointment letter and your green card, please?
Yes, here you are.
Okay, Miss Hương Tạ. Now, please put your left index finger, then your right one on the scanner. Now, please take off your mask, then look at the camera. I'll take a photo of you. Thank you. You can put your mask back on now. Please take back your appointment letter and your green card. Your interview room will be 5 with Officer Thomas Jefferson.
Okay, thank you.
Good morning. Are you Miss Hương Tạ?
Yes, I am.
I am Thomas Jefferson. Nice to see you.
Nice to see you too.
Please, put your bag next to your chair, but remain standing. Now, I need to put you under oath, so please raise your right hand. Do you promise to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
What is an oath?
An oath is a promise to tell the truth.
Okay, put your hand down and have a seat, please.
Thank you.
How are you today?
I am good. Thank you. And how about you?
I am good, thank you. How is the weather outside?
It's quite sunny.
Did you come here with anyone?
No, I came here alone.
How did you come here?
I drove my car.
Do you know why you are here today?
I am here to become a U.S. citizen.
Why do you want to become a U.S. citizen?
Because I want to vote.
Can you explain how you are eligible to become a U.S. citizen?
I got a green card and I have been a legal permanent resident for over 5 years.
When did you become a legal permanent resident?
I became a legal permanent resident on January 13th, 2014.
Good. Please give me your green card, driver's license, and all of your passports.
Here you are.
Tell me what your current legal name is.
My current legal name is Hung Ta.
Please spell your last name.
T-A.
Is the name in your green card the same as your current legal name?
Yes, it is.
Would you like to change your name?
Yes, I want to change my name to Cindy Ta.
So your new name will be Cindy Ta. Is that correct?
Yes, it is.
What is your date of birth?
My date of birth is March 27th, 1990.
Where were you born?
I was born in Vietnam.
What is your nationality?
I am Vietnamese.
What is your marital status?
I'm single.
What is your current address?
530 Park Avenue, Orange, New Jersey, 07050.
How long have you lived at this address?
I have lived there for 6 years since I came to America.
What is your phone number?
It is 973-669-8060.
How do you support yourself?
I work.
What do you do for work?
I am a cook.
Where do you work?
I work for Guy's Restaurant and Pizzeria at 333 Valley Road, West Orange, New Jersey.
Very good. Have you taken any trips outside the U.S. since you became a permanent resident?
Yes, I have.
How many trips did you take outside the U.S. during the past 5 years?
Only one trip.
Where did you go?
I went to Canada.
What was the purpose of your trip?
I went there to visit my brother.
When did you go, and when did you return?
I went to Canada on September 10th, 2018, and came back to the U.S. on September 25th, 2018.
Have you taken any trips outside of the U.S. since you submitted your Form N-400?
No, I haven't.
Do you have any children?
No, I don't.
Were your parents U.S. citizens before your 18th birthday?
No, they weren't. They were Vietnamese, and now they are Canadian.
Very good. Okay, Miss Hương Tạ, that's all enough for the first part. Now we'll move to the next part of the interview.
Okay, Mr. Jefferson.
Have you ever claimed to be a U.S. citizen?
No, I never.
Have you ever registered to vote in any federal, state, or local elections in the United States?
No, I never registered to vote. I am not a U.S. citizen yet.
Do you have any title of nobility in Vietnam?
No, I don't.
What is title of nobility?
It is a royal position, such as a prince or princess, which you got because you were born in a royal family.
Have you ever been declared legally incompetent or have been confined to a mental institution?
No, I never.
What does to be declared legally incompetent mean?
It means that someone is said by a court that they can't make their own decisions due to mental health problems.
What is a mental institution?
It is a hospital for people with mental health problems.
Do you owe any federal, state, or local taxes that are overdue?
No, I don't.
Have you ever called yourself a non-U.S. resident on federal, state, or local tax returns?
No, I never.
What is a non-U.S. resident?
It is someone who does not live permanently in the U.S.
Have you ever been a member of the Communist Party?
No.
What is the Communist Party?
It is the political party that takes control of the government of countries like Vietnam, North Korea, or Cuba.
Have you ever been a member of a terrorist organization?
No, I never.
What is a terrorist organization?
It is a group of people who do violence acts against people and governments.
Have you ever persecuted any person because of race, religion, national origin, membership in a particular social group, or political opinion?
No.
What does persecute mean?
It means to treat people unfairly because of their race or their religion.
Correct. Have you ever committed a crime for which you were not arrested?
No, I never.
What does commit a crime or offense mean?
It means to do something illegal.
Have you ever been convicted of a crime or offense?
No, I haven't.
What does to be convicted mean?
It means to be declared to be guilty of a crime in a court of law.
Have you ever been placed in an alternative sentencing or rehabilitation program?
No, I haven't.
What is an alternative sentencing?
It is a light punishment such as doing community service or work programs.
Have you ever been involved in any way with forcing or trying to force someone to have any kind of sexual contact or relations?
No, I never.
Have you ever been arrested, cited, or detained by any law enforcement officer for any reason?
No.
What does to be arrested mean?
It means that someone is taken to the police station because they have been suspected of or observed committing a crime.
Have you ever been charged with committing, attempting to commit, or assisting in committing a crime or offense?
No, I never.
Have you ever been in jail or prison?
No.
Have you ever sold or smuggled controlled substances, illegal drugs, or narcotics?
No, I never.
What are controlled substances?
They are medications that can cause physical and mental dependence.
Have you ever made any misrepresentation to obtain any public benefit in the United States?
No, I never.
Can you explain obtain public benefit?
It means to get money from the government to help you pay for food, housing, healthcare, and other basic living expenses.
Have you ever gambled illegally or received income from illegal gambling?
No, I never.
What does gamble illegally mean?
It means to play games for money that is not allowed under the law.
Have you ever been ordered to be removed, excluded, or deported from the United States?
No, I never.
Tell me, what does to be deported mean?
It means that someone is forced to leave the country by the government.
Have you ever served in the U.S. Armed Forces?
No, I never.
Do you support the Constitution and form of government of the United States?
Yes, I do.
Do you understand the full oath of allegiance?
Yes, I do.
Are you willing to take the full oath of allegiance to the United States?
Yes, I am.
If the law requires it, are you willing to bear arms on behalf of the United States?
Yes, I am.
What does bear arms mean?
It means to carry weapons to defend or fight.
If the law requires it, are you willing to perform work of national importance under civilian direction?
Yes, I am.
What does perform work of national importance mean?
It means to do works that are important to the country, such as help people in a tsunami, earthquake.
Good. Now we move to the reading, writing, and civics tests. Are you ready?
Yes, I am. I studied hard.
Please read the sentence on the tablet.
Name one right in the Bill of Rights.
Very well. Please write this sentence. I will read for you. Freedom of speech is one right. Excellent. You have passed the English test.
Yes, thank you.
Now, please answer some questions about U.S. history and government.
Yes, sir.
What do we call the first 10 amendments to the Constitution?
The Bill of Rights.
How many amendments does the Constitution have?
27.
What stops one branch of government from becoming too powerful?
Checks and balances.
Good. What does the judicial branch do?
Review laws.
What did Susan B. Anthony do?
Fought for women's rights.
Before he was president, Eisenhower was a general. What war was he in?
World War II.
Perfect. You answered all the questions correctly and also passed the civics test.
Really? Thank God.
You have passed the interview today. Congratulations!
Thank you so much.